Slimline storage case ideal for mounting in narrow spaces. Easy, tool-free installation using strong 3M VHB adhesive tape. Double-sided chopping boards with non-slip feet. Knife-friendly, textured cutting surfaces. Board sizes. Large 13 3/8 by 9.5 inches, small 10 7/8 by 7 7/8 inches. This inventive cutting board set helps make maximum use of the space inside your cabinets by storing on the back of the door. It comprises of 2 cutting boards and a slimline storage case. The case comes with strong, 3M VHB adhesive tape on the reverse, making it very easy to install on a clean, flat surface, ideal for inside cupboards or other narrow spaces. The boards feature non-slip feet and textured, knife-friendly cutting surfaces. Installation instructions included dimensions including board, 13 5/8 by 9 3/4 by 7/8 of an inch. Top reviews from the United States. Simple, functional design. This cutting board duo has finally allowed me to ditch the various other boards I had leaning precariously against the side inside my under-the-sink cabinet. The sizes are perfect, the holder is secure, and I can be sure that nothing else is touching them, which saves me from having to re-wash a board every time I want to use one.